My element is silicone. It's number 14 on the periodic table. The weight is 28.083. It's group 14. The oxidation number is +4 and +2. And crystal structure is face-centered on the diamond cubic. My mineral is quartz, chemical compound consisting of 1 part silicone and 2 parts of oxygen. Quartz is the most abundant and widely distributed mineral found at Earth's surface. Quartz is used to make glass. My rock is rhyolite. The type of it is called the igneous. It's formed in volcanic rocks and found in Arizona. On the references, this is where I got the most information from Google and online.